Welcome to Review Rumble. The BEST portable cart is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can own, whether you're navigating crowded grocery store aisles, transporting heavy loads in your workshop, or simply need a convenient way to move items around your home or office. Imagine effortlessly gliding your purchases from the car to your kitchen, or easily organizing your gardening supplies without straining your back. This isn't just about convenience, it's about reclaiming your energy and simplifying your daily tasks with a smart, mobile solution that adapts to your needs. Number 5. Wellmax Foldable Moving Platform Dolly. Tired of bulky equipment? Our functional platform dolly folds down in seconds for easy storage, ready whenever you need it. Simply fold the handle flat and stow it away effortlessly. Navigate with ease thanks to its four-wheel design, built for stability and smooth transport. The rear wheels feature 360-degree swivel for tight corners and seamless transit. Handle your items with confidence. This cart supports up to 330 pounds, with a non-slip platform and support guard to keep everything secure. Its heavy-duty wheels handle various terrains smoothly. Built for long-term use, it features a comfortable padded handle and a textured, non-slip platform. Crafted from high-quality materials, this dolly is a reliable staple for years. Perfect for moving household items, luggage, or materials. Its foldable structure makes storage simple in your garage, office, or any compact space. We are a proud, family-run American business since 1994. Support a USA-based company and join the Wellmax family. What we like? This cart offers a robust 330 pounds capacity and 360-degree swivel wheels for excellent maneuverability. It also folds flat for convenient storage. If you need to move heavy items frequently and value both strength and ease of storage, this is a great choice for workshops or large home projects. What people say. The cart is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it great for carrying groceries or other items. It folds up compactly for storage and is very sturdy when in use. The wheels are smooth and roll easily on different surfaces, which is a big plus. Number 4. Olympia Tools 85 to 188 Pack and Roll Folding Service Cart. Introducing the Pack and Roll Service Cart from Olympia Tools. It's designed to keep all your essential tools and equipment organized and in one place, making maintenance tasks easier than ever. This cart is incredibly portable and features a secure locking mechanism to prevent accidental collapses. It boasts an impressive 150 pounds capacity, ready to handle your heaviest loads. With 3 collapsible shelves, it offers ample space for tools, files, or garden supplies. When not in use, it folds down to a mere 8 inches for convenient storage. Crafted for longevity, this durable cart is perfect for home, garage, and industrial projects. Its professional-grade quality ensures it will be a reliable companion for years to come. Olympia Tools offers a comprehensive range of equipment to tackle any task. This cart is just one example of our commitment to providing the right tool for every job. We pride ourselves on engineering superior instruments, from hand tools to outdoor equipment. Trust Olympia Tools for quality and innovation in all your repair and maintenance needs. What we like? Featuring 3 collapsible shelves and a 150 pounds capacity, this cart is designed for organization and portability. It folds down to a mere 8 inches for easy storage. If you're looking for a solution to keep tools and supplies organized and readily accessible, especially in a garage or for maintenance tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. This cart is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The wheels are smooth and make it easy to move around. It folds up compactly for easy storage. Number 3. Pidduck One Black Shopping Cart. Introducing our innovative shopping cart, designed to make your errands a breeze. Its compact and portable design ensures you can take it anywhere with ease. Navigate any space with confidence thanks to its dual 360-degree swivel front wheels. Changing directions is now smoother and quicker than ever before. Customize your experience with the adjustable handle height, ranging from 38.5 to 41.5 inches. The comfortable sponge grip ensures a pleasant experience for everyone. Don't let its compact size fool you. This cart boasts a generous capacity of up to 70 L or 66 pounds, constructed from strong and durable iron tubing. When not in use, it folds down to a remarkably compact size, perfect for storing in your car trunk, pantry, or garage, saving you valuable space. Experience the perfect balance of lightweight design and robust construction. It's built to handle your shopping needs without weighing you down. What we like. This shopping cart boasts an adjustable handle for comfort and dual swivel wheels for smooth navigation, with a generous 70L capacity. It's specifically designed for those who need assistance with carrying groceries or other items. If you are elderly, have back issues, or are pregnant, this cart will make your shopping trip significantly easier and more comfortable. What people say. This cart is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The wheels are smooth and easy to roll, even on rough surfaces. It folds up compactly for easy storage. Number 2. DBEST Products Bigger Trolley Dolly, Black. Introducing a foldable cart that's both lightweight and incredibly durable. It's designed to make your errands easier, balancing capability with long-lasting quality. This cart folds in half for incredibly compact storage. You can easily tuck it away in your car trunk, under your bed, or in the garage. Navigate any surface with its oversized, heavy-duty wheel. It effortlessly rolls over sand, stairs, and uneven curbs, making every journey smooth. Use it as a shopping cart, a grocery cart, or a utility cart. With minimal assembly, it's ready to assist you in countless ways. Its weatherproof material keeps your belongings safe from the elements. Plus, the ergonomic handle provides comfort, reducing joint stress on trips to the market. Stay organized with 8 compartments, including a convenient beverage holder. It's designed to carry up to 200 pounds with ease. What we like. With its oversized, heavy-duty wheels capable of handling various terrains and weatherproof material, this cart is built for durability. It also has a 200 pounds capacity and an ergonomic handle. If you frequently shop at markets, need to navigate uneven sidewalks, or want to keep your items protected from the elements, this cart is an excellent companion. What people say. The cart is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it convenient for carrying groceries or other items. It folds flat for compact storage, which is great for small spaces. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly on various surfaces, including sidewalks and store floors. Number 1. Magna Cart Folding Platform Cart. Introducing the Magna Cart Folding Platform Cart, your ultimate solution for moving heavy items. This wheeled cart is designed to help you tow freight boxes, crates, garden equipment, and more, with a remarkable capacity of up to 300 pounds. Experience effortless transportation with its convenient telescoping aluminum handle. It extends up to 36 inches, making it comfortable to use for people of all heights and providing an easier way to move your belongings. Navigate any space with ease thanks to its 4 durable, air-free rubber wheels. They rotate a full 360 degrees, allowing you to effortlessly maneuver and transport your cargo, even in tight spaces. When not in use, this space-saving hand cart folds flat for convenient storage. Its compact dimensions of 26 by 16 by 3.5 inches make it easy to tuck away in your home, office, or garage. Forget assembly. This rolling cart comes fully assembled, lightweight, and portable. It's perfect for small moving jobs and a handy tool to have around for various tasks. What we like. This platform cart features a telescoping handle for adjustable height and a sturdy 300 pounds capacity, arriving fully assembled. It's ideal for moving larger items like boxes and crates. If you often deal with bulky items for moving, deliveries, or organizing your space, and you appreciate a ready-to-use, robust solution, this cart will serve you well. What people say. This cart is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. The wheels are smooth and easy to maneuver, even on rough surfaces. It folds up compactly for easy storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.